Okay, so see, I got these little souls, these bubbles, and they seem to be really enjoying themselves. It seems like a lot of fun. Oh God, I think of all the videos, this is the best. Honestly, at one level, it was buying for $100. I got two, so that was a good deal. And that young man selling it was, he seemed very earnest and very like he wanted to. It's the day is coming to an end, right? So just felt good doing something nice for someone, and then there's so much of joy in return, and these kids are enjoying it. So I think of all the videos I've made so far, this is the most fun. This is Pondicherry by moonlight, and this is how you can't see the sea that side, but we have the sea to the. So wow, we have lights, and this is so beautiful. This is like lovely evening. So Anmiku, are you all having a good time?
Of course.
Awesome. So I'll catch you all in my next video. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.